And as I said, you've got this one little spot here. See how much cleaner it is? And we're just going to slide it on here to this little edge here. See, just push it like that. And then I can turn it, twist it, and now it's on there. It's not going to come off. You follows me? That's basically how you do it. All right, so the next thing we've got to put on is its collar, which is this piece right here. Okay, so this is going to go on top of here like this. And all we need to do is just crank it down. And that holds this back on. Okay, next what we've got to do, so you see this right here? Oh, look at that, I got some dirt on it. Get that dirt off. So you see that? If you look on this, you're going to see right here, you see this little bar? This has to fit in that little bar. So when we put it on, we want to make sure we get it on there. So I'm going to slide it in. Let me bring you over so you can see. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this in. And I'm going to try to match it. I'm going to try to match this with this, right? See how that goes on there? All right, so here's where we're at so far. We're doing pretty good. We got that on. If I spin it, it should spin. Okay? And the last thing you got to put on is this, which locks that in. You can see it really spins well. So I'm just going to come in here, and to tighten it, I've got to go counterclockwise. So I just turn it counterclockwise. You follow me? There we go. Now we should be good. How's that? That's pretty good, huh? Right now, last but not least, we got to snap this on. So what we have to do, these are all, if you look, they're all like the same distance apart. You follow me? So all you got to do is try to get this sign straight. You don't really have to, but it would be good. I just lay it on this top one right here. Let me bring it over so you can see. I just get this first part laid on there like that, and then it kind of falls down. And then you can kind of like just go around and snap them on. You follow me? See, this one's on over here. This one's on there. I just like kind of laid it on there. Then I'm just going to come over here and snap that one on. And then I'm just going to go all the way around and do all of them. And then once you do that, they'll just snap into place. That's it right there. See, they're all snapped. So then now you can look and see you've got them all on there snapped. Pretty much. Check it out. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.